everybody. Got something new. It's actually old. 2018 Flash. I don't recall opening this. I think the price was pretty high. I mean, you can get Ohtani, Soto, lots of other good players. The cards are loose, flopping around in this box, and I am terrified that I'm going to pull something really good that's damaged. We're about to find out. Oof. Yeah, they are really loose in here. It seems like Leaf products usually have the cards inside the, what do you call it, the foam, the gray foam. Oops, I forgot. I'm trying my damnedest not to shake this box any more than it's already been in the shipping process. We're about to see. Oh, well, it looks like stuff is still in there. Its holder, we'll see. Looks like it's at the top of its holder, but there. Alright. Osiris Johnson. I just pulled one of his autos out of what? Something else. It's numbered out of 50. What did I just pull Osiris out of? What was it? What did I open? Not the Tech. Oh, the Leaf Trinity. 18. That's what it was. So there's card number 1. We're going to have 6 autographs total. Just so you know. Ethan Hankins. And this is also numbered out of 50. I thought this looked just like this, and it did. So, 2 okay cards. Not bad. Both of them look really good. Number 3 is a Griffin Conine green. That's not bad. That is numbered out of 15. Alright, halfway through. Next up is Jackson Kowar. And that is not numbered. But again, not bad. These players are not bad. And these cards look really good. Alright, 2 more. Jonathan India. And that's not bad either. I wish this was numbered though. A lot of people like him. Alright, last one. Give me some. Oh, not bad. Nick Madrigal. This is at 2 out of 5. When I saw that red, I was like, yes. That is sweet. Nice strong finish. A lot of people like him, but a lot of people like him. Super short print. Not bad. A pretty solid box. This was on sale right now, of course, because I buy stuff on sale. If you want to check to see if it's still on sale, I got it at Blowout. They're doing their November, they're unleashing new deals, weekly deals, all the way up, leading up to Black Friday. And yeah, some of their stuff is really, like, actually discounted. You can score some pretty good deals right now. So there it is, Leaf Flash. I'll have this posted soon, and I've got a lot more stuff that was on sale, some more goodies I gifted to myself that I'll post for you soon. Everybody take care. Love you guys. Bye.